In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube with the new update. So YouTube recently rolled out a new update where you can turn off autoplay on the screen, on the playback screen itself. So if you haven't gone ahead and updated your YouTube app, go to your Play Store on your phone and update your YouTube app. And then I'll just select any one of my videos to show you what this looks like. And as you can see, the video is playing. And if I tap on the playback area, you can see a little pause button there at the top right, like a toggle switch. If I toggle that on, autoplay would be on. Now if I don't want autoplay, I will just have to toggle that down, and that is the new update where you can turn off autoplay directly from within the playback screen. And if I just go to the end of the video, you can see the video is coming to an end right now, and then it doesn't autoplay. So that is how you will turn off autoplay on YouTube going into 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.